Yo, what up, though? This is Superdell. Man, we got the news yesterday, and salute to everyone that sent me an email. I checked my email yesterday, but this last couple weeks has been like tough at the job. So, I haven't been pushing out any videos. But here we got some crazy news right here talking about the lifetime pass to go from 250 to 750 bucks. I think this is ridiculous. I'm not going to even lie to you. I think this is a $500, tax. What is Plex going to blame this on? Tariffs? Nah, I don't know what's going on with this. But on AFTV News, they got a very short article. It said if you thought last year lifetime Plex Pass price increase, um, which more than doubled the cost from 119 to 249, was bad. Buckle up. Plex has just announced that the one-time cost for its lifetime subscription will be increasing to an outrageous 750 bucks, which is crazy. I'm talking about it's not like they're bringing anything new to the table. When I actually purchased my Plex Pass, I think I got it like in 2016. I think I paid the one-time fee 119 bucks, and it is pretty cool. But I think Plex is starting to get besides themselves, in my opinion. It's not like they coming with some new extra features that make you sit back and say, you know what? I got to have this. Or if this is worth it. Because when you go to, the benefits of having Plex, the lifetime pass, of course it's cool to get the hardware acceleration for transcoding. I think that's pretty cool. But they've been doing this for a while. The bandwidth and stream caps, I think that's pretty cool, but they've been doing that as well. HDR to SDR tone mapping, I think that's pretty cool because it just converts everything over to a better picture. Or if you have like a picture that is not too crispy, it does have the technology to make it look good. The skip features, the premium playback, and excuse my voice because I don't know what happened. I haven't been talking that much, but it seems like my voice is leaving. I don't know. But I do like this feature, the premium playback experience that allows you to skip intros and credits to go right into the TV show. The offline download, which I don't use that much, and the cinema trailer, which is pretty cool because you get to watch the trailer. Just in case you don't know what a movie is, you get to watch the trailer. And then they got some live TV feature, which I only see a couple of YouTube creators actually use. And then I don't hear many people talking about the advanced music feature. So again, I don't know the benefits in this. I don't know if they're losing their mind. But I think once you get Plex, I think you get very, very comfortable. But if you want the benefits, you got to, shell out some money. And I ain't talking about no $100 or $200. Really, when you want to get the premium benefits. I'm really, like I said, when I go to my Plex, this is what I came across. And again, I wanted to do this video yesterday, which was what, the 19th when they first came out. But again, it was just a long day at work. But this is absolutely crazy. And they said starting July 1st, 2026, it will increase from 249 to 749. And again, I'm going to leave this article for y'all to read. I do think this is ridiculous. I do have a playlist that show you how to build your Plex, but it may be time to go to like Ambi. It might be time for some of us to go to Jellyfin, whichever one is beneficial. Because again, they all have pros and cons, but come on, man. This is getting ridiculous. And it starts in a few more days. So again, if you're not a lifetime and you want the benefits and you love Plex, I think you need to hurry up and get the Plex Pass. Or after July 1st, it will be this price right here. I don't know how many they're going to sell. I think it's just going to have people going to MB and Jellyfin, because you could pretty much do the same thing on those platforms. Again, I would like to hear your thoughts. I think this is some bull crap, because they just moved their price up, last year? I'm going to say July, August, September, one of them, 2025. And look what they come out not even a year later. All right? Or just below a year later. This is absolutely ridiculous. And there's no way you could blame this on tariffs. That's all I'm saying. But I would love to hear your comments. Are you a Plex member? Do you have a Plex Pass? And if you become a Plex, a person that uses Plex, would you consider getting the Plex Pass for the resources that they currently have? I don't know. I think it may be best to go to another platform. That's just my take. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up this video. Share this video inside of your platforms, your other social media platforms. Also, click that bell. Click that bell so you can get notified anytime I release any type of content on YouTube. So again, I think it's time for us to move on. Really, if you want the benefits, all right? This is Superdell, and I don't know if I'm going to be saying start your own media library on Plex. Really, with an outrageous price like that for the premium services. This is absolutely ridiculous. All right? Love to hear your comments. I'll talk to y'all on the next one, guys. Peace.